How to fix no sound on Reddit. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can fix if there is no sound on Reddit app. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you're not being able to hear sounds on Reddit, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. The first is that make sure that your volume is not set to mute. So maybe your phone's volume itself is set to mute. That is why that could be happening. Second is make sure the video that you're watching on Reddit, right, it also has the little volume icon from the bottom right. So that could also have been set to mute. So you might want to tap on it once to enable the audio for that video. So you can go to that full screen again, and you might just want to check over there if you have set the mute toggle. As you can see, the small icon right here. If none of these are working for you, then we are just going to reset the Reddit app. So on Android phone, what we can do is long press the Reddit app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to the app information page, go to the option storage, clear cache, and also clear the data. After you've done that, go to your respective Play Store or App Store and simply search for the Reddit app. Check if the Reddit app has an update. And of course, if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.